As an entrepreneur, small business owner, there have been times in our life that we've heard and we believe the concept that if we build it, they will come, right? And so because of that, we start our own businesses. We go to school, we get a degree, we create a course, maybe we write a book, we source the product, we start our own service, whatever your thing is, hoping that if we create the best product or the best service, that people will come knocking on our door. And then we wait. We wait for our future dream customer to come and find us. Unfortunately, it never seems like they just come and find you, do they? Now, my question for you is that your story? Is that why you're here today? You've created something amazing, something you're passionate about, something you believe in, and you can't figure out how in the world do I get my dream customers to actually come to me? Or maybe you're a little bit further down the line, and you've got some ads running on Facebook or Google, but you have fear, knowing that the next Google slap could happen at any time, or maybe your ads account is gonna get shut down, and you're up at night thinking and wondering, is my business actually built on a solid foundation? Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I'm the author of this brand new book called Traffic Secrets. It's the underground playbook for filling your websites and your funnels with your dream customers. Now, I don't think there's anybody on this planet who's more obsessed with traffic than I am. Now, just 5 short years ago, I launched a brand new company called ClickFunnels, and as the non-technical co-founder who's got no ability to code, I wasn't able to help with the software, but I knew what my role was. When the cart opened on launch day, my job was to make sure that we had a pipeline of people who were lined up, ready and willing to sign up for the free trial. And then after that, every single day I needed to make sure we had people coming to our funnels and signing up for ClickFunnels. Now, because I needed so many customers, I couldn't just rely on just Facebook or just Google. I had to do things differently. That was 5 years ago, and during that time we almost lost ClickFunnels. We had a great product, but it was very hard to get people to know that we even existed. We literally tested everything. If someone said that this would get us more traffic, then we tested it on our own dime. But most of the things we tried didn't actually work. But a few of the things, the real secrets that did work, started to compound on each other. Each new secret would help us to tap into a new stream of our dream customers. What seemed impossible before, getting a consistent flow of our dream customers into our funnels, was now a reality. Because of the traffic secrets we set up inside of our company, we now get over 1.7 million visitors per month to ClickFunnels.com. And while that's a lot of traffic, that's just one of the many websites and funnels that we drive traffic to every single day. Let me show you some screenshots of some of the other funnels we drive traffic to. This one right here is the .com Secrets book funnel. It gets over 5,000 visitors per day. Expert Secrets is another one of my front-end funnels, which over the last 12 months has averaged over 29,000 new visitors every single week. For me, this equals hundreds and hundreds of book sales every single day, day in and day out like clockwork. We literally get so much traffic at this point that I couldn't turn it off even if I wanted to. Now you have to understand that I don't just use these traffic secrets to get traffic to ClickFunnels and my book funnels. I use these secrets to get traffic to all of my funnels, including my webinar funnels, my high ticket funnels, funnels that sell physical products, funnels that sell services. Every single funnel that we ever created, we use the exact same traffic secrets to fill these funnels with our dream customers. Here's another example of just one of my webinar funnels that over the last 12 months has averaged over 96,000 visitors every single month like clockwork. And I want you to understand that's still just a small handful of the websites and funnels that we drive traffic to every single day. Now I want to ask you a question. What do you think would happen to your business if you had that many targeted visitors coming into your websites and your funnels every single month? I want you to understand this is not just working for me. We've taught these traffic secrets to literally thousands of other businesses in every market that you can dream of. If you're selling anything online or you're trying to generate leads, these traffic secrets will help you get more eyeballs on the things that you're trying to sell. If you're an author, a speaker, a coach, or a consultant, these traffic secrets will work for you. If you're selling physical products, these traffic secrets will work for you as well. If you're a local business or you're selling services, these traffic secrets will work for you. And if you run an agency, these traffic secrets are especially for you. And now, I want to help turn the faucet of traffic for you to fill your websites and your funnels with your dream customers as well. I want you to have a copy of this new book, and here's why I'm doing it. There are too many businesses that are struggling because their future customers can't find them. This book will help you to find your dream customers so that you can change their lives with the products and the services that you sell. And that's why I want you to have a free copy of this book. Now, if you go to Amazon.com right now, you can get a hardcover copy for $24.95, but right now, I actually want to send you one for free. All you have to do is click on the button down below and let me know your shipping address here on this page, and then I'll rush you a free copy directly to your doorstep. Now, I've already paid for the printing of these books. All I'm asking you to do is cover the shipping and handling to get it to you. Now, inside this book, there are over 20 different secrets on different ways to get traffic into your websites and your funnels. Now, obviously, I can't go and share every one with you, but I want to go inside the book really quick and share a few of the secrets you're going to discover here inside this book for free. All right, so I'm going to start right now with secret number 2. Now, in this secret, you're going to find out exactly where your dream customers are hiding online, and that way you can find them, and then you can pull them into your websites or into your funnels. If you can't find them, it's hard to get them, but as soon as you know where they're they're at and you can identify that, getting traffic becomes really, really easy. If I flip over to secret number 6, I'm gonna show you guys what I call the invisible second funnel that almost nobody knows about. But what's interesting is only 19% of your potential sales actually happen the first time a customer goes through your funnel. The other 81% of your potential sales are determined by this, and nobody's even talking about it, which is kind of crazy to me. If I go over here to secret number 17, I know most of you guys have seen the show Shark Tank, and when you read this secret, you will understand the real secret behind the Shark Tank, why they do what they do. A lot of people think they have the Midas touch, but what they know that you don't know is what's inside of secret number 17. When you understand this, it becomes really easy to grow and scale almost any business. All right, now secret number 18, you're gonna learn how to build an army of affiliates who will actually sell your product for you. Can you imagine having dozens or hundreds of other people selling your products for you and you only pay them after they make the sale? You're gonna learn exactly how to do that here inside of secret number 18. Now, this book, like I said, has over 20 different secrets about how to get more traffic to your websites and your funnels, and I wanna give you a copy of this book for free. All you gotta do right now is send me your address. There should be a button down below. Click on that button. Let me know where to ship this copy to you, and we'll send you out a brand new copy of the hardcover version for free. Now, on top of that, I have a few other ethical bribes because I want to make sure you get this book. And so because of that, I'm going to give you a few other things to help amplify your experience with the book and hopefully be able to push you over the edge. So the first bribe or bonus I want to give you is what I call the Traffic Secrets Foundation. Now, once a year, I do a big event called Funnel Hacking Live. Last year, we had over 5,000 people there, and I did a whole presentation helping people understand the foundations of traffic and how they fit inside this book. So I'm going to give you guys that presentation for free, and that's the first bonus. The second bonus I'm going to give you, at that same event, I had one of my friends, Dean Graciosi, come and speak. And Dean is someone who spent 20 years on infomercials, selling hundreds of thousands, actually millions of copies of his book on infomercials. And over the last 2 years, he actually came online and he started selling things online through social media, through Facebook, through Instagram. And what was interesting is that Dean at the time was actually selling 4 times more books than I was selling my own. I was like, how are you selling so much more? I couldn't understand it. I actually flew to Arizona and we spent some time together and I figured it out. It was like such a small and simple tweak, little hack, whatever you want to call it. And we came back and started implementing it and our sales increased. And I asked him, I said, can you come to Funnel Hacking Live and make that presentation? Because that 4x started traffic by understanding one little piece. And he said, yes. And so I'm going to give you guys the video presentation that Dean did, teaching that one little hack that'll change everything for you. The bonus number 3 is another presentation from Funnel Hacking Live. This is from someone who you may have heard of. You've probably seen him online. His name is Prince EA. And Prince EA has got over 3 billion views of his videos online. And he did a whole presentation showing how he makes a video go viral. And I was thinking it was gonna be super complex and technical, but he walked us through the steps. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so powerful. Anybody could do it. And so I want to give you that as well, because this is another way to get tons of free traffic when you understand the process that Prince EA goes through on every one of the videos that he rolls out. Bonus number 4, I'm gonna give you guys the ultimate traffic hack. Okay, you're gonna learn about inside of Traffic Secrets, different ways to create content and post it on different social networks and things like that. And the one thing a lot of people struggle with is this is gonna be so overwhelming. I'm gonna be spending my entire life on my phone making videos. And Paying June is one of my Inner Circle members. He came to Funnel Hacking Live and he did a presentation that blew everyone's minds. We talked about how he spends a weekend, and in a weekend he creates enough video. He has a structured outline, he creates the videos, and he uses that to cover everything in social media, to hit his Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, everything from 2 days worth of work. And so if you want to learn how to take 2 days worth of work, batch all your videos, all your content, and then use that for the next 6 months, that video presentation is going to walk you through exactly how he does it, the systems, the processes. It'll blow your mind. It's one of my favorite bonuses. And then the last bonus, you have a chance to go through this book. One of the things people always say is this is amazing. Where do I start? What do I do first? What do I do second? And so the last bonus here, I'm going to give you guys the 30-day Traffic Secrets Challenge, which basically after you finish the book, you start the challenge and it'll say day 1, do this. Day 2, do this. Day 3, do this. And by the end of 30 days, most of the things you've learned inside this book will be implemented into your business and you'll be getting traffic into your websites and into your funnels. Like I mentioned before, this book is free. All that I ask for you to do is help me cover the shipping costs. It's $9.95 in the United States or $19.95 international anywhere in the world. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I want you to understand that there is no catch. There's no hidden continuity program or membership program. It's just a one-time payment of shipping and handling to ship this thing out to you. The reason why I'm doing this is my way to say thank you to you. Thank you for clicking on my ads. Thank you for being on my email newsletter. Thank you for following me on social. These are the secrets I've learned over the last 15 years. I want to give them to you so you can get traffic to your websites and your funnels. But if you want this, you have to act now. You have to understand, we don't go and print 1 million copies of these and have them sitting in a warehouse. It would be so expensive. So instead, we printed a limited run, usually between 1,000 and 2,000 at a time, and we sell them like this through special promotions, and when they're gone, they're gone. So if this page is live, it means there's some right now, but you have to act now before they're gone. So there's a button down below. Click on that button. Let me know exactly your address that you want me to ship this to, and we'll ship you out one ASAP. I also want to do one last thing just to help push you over the edge. I want you to understand that there's no risk with this. I 100% guarantee that you will love this book. And if you don't, for whatever reason, I'll even refund your shipping costs and let you keep the book anyway. That's right. You don't even have to send me anything back. All you got to do is email us and let us know that you want your money back, and we'll give it to you, no questions asked, guarantees. Does that sound fair? Cool. Then all you got to do right now is click on the link down below. Let me know the address you want me to ship your copy to you. And again, we'll ship you out a hardbound copy of our brand new Traffic Secrets book today. Click on the link down below, and I cannot wait for you to get your hands on these traffic secrets.